Welcome back to Bus Academy. Today I'm going to discuss linear combination and linearly dependent and independent with the help of matrix example. How you can prove a set of matrix determine that whether the matrix is linearly dependent and independent. Now let's start its lecture and prove it whether it is linearly dependent or independent. For this we choose let A1, A2 belongs to R. Basically here we are talking about 2 cross 2 matrix or the field F. Then this scalar must be from real number. So by definition of, if I'm going to choose a marker, by definition of linear dependent type, that is A1. This is the first matrix, so we can written as -3, -2, 4. But A2 is equal to this matrix -2, -4, 6, -3, and zeros will be type of 2 cross 2 matrix. So we'll choose the zeros like this matrix, right? We'll choose the null matrix. So if first multiply this term A1 coordinate wise entry. So here is 2, A2 is equal to 0. The reason is that here is the first coordinate wise term is entry 0. We're going to multiply -3A1, here is plus 6A2 is equal to 0. If you're going to multiply by this term, here is 2A1, here is term -4A2, here is 0, right? So if you're going to multiply this term 4A1, here is -3A2 is equal to 0. So we have obtained 4 system of equations. So simpler way, you can simultaneously solve any 2 equations, find the values of A and B, A1 and A2 constant values. If you're going to multiply, for example, this is equation 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation 3, and this is equation number 4. Have these 4 equations. For example, if you wanted to find the values, because we have 4 equations, 2 constant, we choose any 2 equation, adding simultaneous solve, we can find the values of A1, A2 scalars. If you're going to multiply, it's multiplying equation 2, equation number 3 by 2. So adding equation number 4. So what will be happen? Here is 2, that is equal to -4A1. Here will be -8A2 is equal to 0. Here is that is 4A1 -3A2 is equal to 0. So subtract this term. Here will be obtained values, that is -12A1 is equal to 0, right? So here will be obtained the values of A1 is equal to 0, right? So if put this value any one of them in any equation, so we can find out the values of put the values in equation number 2 or 3. So if we wanted to put the values in equation 1, we can easily find out the value of, here is A1 is equal to 0. So if you're going to, here is A2 is equal to 0, here is A1 equal to 0. Now if you're going to put these values in equation number 1, so we can easily get that here is the constant scalar is 0. These constant scalar 0, it means that left hand and right hand satisfy. So the given set, so the given M2 cross 2 is linearly independent. So this is the basic procedure. You can prove any set of matrices of 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, n cross n. We can easily prove that the set is linearly dependent or not, right? Here I'm going to stop my lecture. If you have any sort of query, any sort of question, you give me a comment. You also give me a comment. So I will discuss your query in next video. Like and share and subscribe my video. You have so till next video. See you shortly. Bye bye.